This is how the network marketing bridge funnel looks like. So we have 3 funnels in this video. The first one is the bridge page funnel. You will have your opt-in page where you will have your headline and just the opt-in for your product or for your opportunity, depending on who you target. And then we'll have the bridge page where you explain your product and the link to where people can buy it. And the big advantage you are going to have is that you will catch their email addresses up front so that you can follow up them with an email sequence to make them buy your product or join your company. The second funnel is a webinar funnel where you will have a video up front where you can explain your product or your company, a headline, also an opt-in where you will catch their contact info so you can follow up. You can tell them when you'll be live, or you can pick an auto webinar funnel where you can just automate the process and show a replay. And then we will have the confirmation page where people just know they sign up for your webinar. If you like to, you can place a tripwire product or a small product or a PDF or whatever to make an upsell or just to give more value upfront. Then we'll have a third funnel, the home party funnel, which will have also a registration page where you can catch up the email and then you can send them out emails to follow up to a Google Hangout where you're going to be live with your prospects to promote your product or your company. So these are 3 funnels you can use for your network marketing business. You'll get all 3 funnels for free if you get the free Network Marketing Secrets book, where all the strategy is explained, or alternatively, I can give you those 3 funnels as a download for signing up to a Clickfunnels 14-day free trial, because then you will also get a full A to Z training on how to use ClickFunnels and also a traffic training. And if you like to, I can help you personally to set your funnel up. All right, have a nice day.